Hello everyone, it's Jira Bro back with another video, and we are talking about some of the updates for reports that are of course for the assets. Now assets are of course the part of the Jira Service Management, and assets really allow you to actually not only be having the, let's say, the overall overview of your items and everything that is actually going on within, let's say, your IT department. It can actually be for anything. Now, what's important to know is that these updates will soon, if you actually don't see this right now, if you're actually having a premium or the enterprise subscription, you might not be able to actually see this yet. So let's go to the changes. First of all, it's to subscribe for regular updates, right? So this is actually pretty good in order to actually stay up to up to date when it comes to your assets and everything that is in regards to them. And so first of all, what you will be able to do is you will be able to actually add a subscription to a specific report. Now, you can choose the frequency. You can choose the hour of the day. So let's say every day you actually want to receive this at 10 a.m. the whole report on some certain assets. And also you can customize your subscriptions by setting specific values. This is actually pretty great because you can set some of the things, like you can set the values for the project, you can set the values for, let's say, for the date, and let's say for the subtask status, if you actually want to select the subtask status. And the last but not least is having the format. So actually this would mean that basically you will be able to get these updates in the PDF format. That's actually pretty great. It's really similar when you're actually exporting your report, but in order not to having the need to export and that like every day, you can get this with the subscription. The second one is from one dashboard to 4 bite-size reports. Now before, within the assets, the report was like very long dashboard, and a lot of users might be like confused. I mean, yeah, there are all of the data that is actually needed in there, but for the organizational purposes, this is going to be the update. So as you can see, you will be able to actually select what would you like to have. So these are the filters that will be available to you. And also, you will be able to have these dashboards right here. This is actually pretty great. This is awesome. And this right here, this reminds on the couple of the dashboard gadgets in Jira actually. So this one right here, at least, and this reminds me to the two-dimensional statistics filter. So basically, well, actually, these are, let's say, more than 2 dimensions. This would be like 6 dimensions. But you get the idea. You also have the option to save and update the reports as well. So you can give it a name, you can save it, and basically you can save more than one reports, which is actually pretty great. So you can have them basically like a database of all of the saved assets on one place. This is actually pretty great as well. And the last but not least is to actually download the reports. Now, you can actually choose if you would like to download this. Either this is going to be in the PDF or this is going to be in the CSV format. So this is actually pretty great because you can share this outside the Atlassian tools or for importing the data into other platforms. Let's say for some reason you're using Google Docs, right? And within your Google Docs, you want to include one of the asset reports from from your Jira Service Management. Well, what do you do? Well, basically, you actually export this to the, it could be a PDF format or it can be like a CSV format, and then you can basically import that within your documents. Or another thing is, let's say you have a Google Drive or you have OneDrive, and basically you want to keep everything in one place. So this is another great example of how you can actually store those reports as well. And that is it. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.